Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make Crunchwrap Supremes. Let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 5 large flour tortillas, 1 pound of ground beef, a 1/3 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning, 2/3 cup of nacho cheese sauce, 4 of the tostadas, or you could use tortilla chips if you'd like, 2/3 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of iceberg lettuce shredded, 1 cup of diced tomatoes, and then 2 cups of Mexican cheese. First you want to brown your meat, crumble it, and drain it. And then to that meat you want to add your 1/3 cup of water and your 3 tablespoons of seasoning. That looks good, so you just want to simmer that and stir it for about 5 minutes until it thickens up. Next, you want to cut one of your tortillas into 4 pieces like this using either a knife or kitchen shears, whatever you want. And then the rest of them you want to put on a plate, and we're going to microwave those with a damp paper towel over top of them for about 20 seconds. Okay, my meat is ready to go. So now in a large pan, I have a couple tablespoons of vegetable oil in here, and I'm just heating that on about medium low, and it's time to assemble our crunch wraps. Alright, I have one of my flour tortillas down. Then I have my meat, cheese sauce, diced tomatoes, lettuce, sour cream, and shredded cheese. And then I'm going to add my tostito on top of that. That looks great. So now I'm just going to take one of my tortilla pieces that I cut and just center it on the top like that. Next, you just want to go ahead and fold over all of your edges until it's covered. And then we are going to place that into our heated pan over there, seam side down. Alright, that is cooking seam side down. I'm just going to cook that for about 3 to 4 minutes and then flip it and cook the other side. I've got one here all done for taste tester, so let's see what he thinks. Hey, taste tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dana from I good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alright everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye.